Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you another DIY video, repotting my indoor plant, do it yourself. Some people talk mess to me in my other video because I said do it yourself and they were like, that's not do it yourself. But to me, I'm doing it myself. No one else is doing it. So I'm teaching you or showing you how I do my repotting for my plants. This is an indoor plant. I just got it about a month ago and she's all over the place. I'm going to show you a picture of her so that you can get an idea and all the stuff that I bought for it. So I'm going to turn the camera around so I can show you and you can have a better view of everything that I'm going to be doing. Okay, let's get started. So this is my plant. She's having a bad hair day. Like, just look at that. She was just a baby when I got her. I mean, she wasn't all over the place like she is now. So I'm going to just sort of train her and put the leaves back up how they're supposed to be and give her some support. I'm going to be taking her out of the original pot that she's in, and this is the one that I'm going to be using to put her in. And this is what I'm going to use just for show. It's going to be pretty, but this is like what do you call it, like rubber, and it fits the pot. It's going to fit perfect in there, you guys. I did not think it will fit, but look at that. I just think it's going to be a really cool after look, because I'll get to the white is really just for show and it's going to be pretty. And then this pot, it's pretty much like what do you call it? Like it has that drainage for the water when you water your indoor plant. So I love it because you don't really need the little plastic at the bottom since it's already like this. But sometimes I kind of overfill it with water. So I think it's perfect that this one is going to be waterproof. So in case there's any water comes out, it won't be a problem. I got this at, what do you call it? BIGLOTS today, the white one. And this is from, I want to say Lowe's. This one's from Lowe's. Anyway, I'm going to take everything outside so that I can, not make a mess with dirt inside. So let's get started. Hey guys, so that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and have learned something from it. Be sure to subscribe and like this video. I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.